Hi, I'm Maris, and I am so incredibly excited to share with you the newest edition of our nursing school planner. We took all of the feedback that you gave us from our first one and did our best to incorporate it into this next academic year version of the planner. So I want to go through kind of piece by piece what the changes are and what great stuff we kept in there. So first and foremost, we did make an academic year planner, meaning that this one runs from August through the next August, 13 full months of planning content for you, so that if you are a person who likes to have their calendar run for academic year, we've got you covered. If you like it for calendar year, we've got you covered there too. So we've got all of those bases covered so that you can plan in the way that makes the most sense to you. Some other things that I wanted to point out is that we, of course, kept our awesome pep talks and our test taking and studying tips. We came up with even more for you so that if you used last year's calendar year one and you're feeling like you want to get the academic year and spice things up, there are new tips and pep talks in there for you so that you won't see the same thing over and over. I also want to share with you the thing that I am the most excited about, of course. Our reference pages are now better than ever. So we kept all of the great stuff that you said that you liked in our reference pages, but we added what was missing. So we added stuff for psychiatric mental health and leadership and nutrition. So if you are in those classes or you are constantly looking things up from those classes, we still have the awesome, great reference material in here for you to use, but we added more to it so that you can cover even more of those classes. Oh, look how awesome it is. I can't get over this. The reference pages to me, I mean, this is what I wish I had in my planner at all times when I was in nursing school. So I'm excited that I can make sure that you can have that. A few more changes that I want to highlight. We did hear your feedback about the lines not being long enough to write on, so we reconfigured the layout to give you some longer lines to fit your assignments, your clinicals, your classes, all of that kind of good stuff. And we heard you. You want non-negotiable tasks on every day, and I love that. First of all, as the person who can't live without a non-negotiable list and put this in the planner on purpose, I am so excited to hear that you love it so much you want it on the weekends too. So we reconfigured the daily spread so that every single day you can list your 3 non-negotiable tasks to keep yourself on track and figure out what your highest priorities are for that day every single day. Other great things that we kept in there just because we know you like them so much, we kept our goal setting pages and we made sure that you had room to set those goals and reflect on the previous month every month, because that really is a great way to develop those goal setting strategies and to really focus on how you're going to achieve your goals, not just setting them. I hope you love this planner as much as we do. We really took everything we wish that we had in nursing school and baked it into this planner so that you can have the perfect nursing school planner to help you along your journey. As always, I am desperate to see pictures of you using your planner. I want to see all of the cool ways that you're using it, the different kinds of ways you found to integrate it into your life, the things you like the most about it, the things you wish we would change next time, because trust me, we're listening. I want to make this the best planner that it possibly can be, and that's only with your feedback. So thank you so much for taking the time to tag us on social in your planner, to reach out with comments, feedback, suggestion. We love all of it so much, and thank you so much for taking this nursing school planner along your nursing school journey with you. It makes me so happy to know that you've got us in your backpack. Even if you're not thinking about it, we're there. We're there with a pep talk. We're there to hype you up always. Thanks so much, and happy studying.
I invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. If you found value in this video, be sure to hit the like button and leave us a comment and let us know what you found particularly helpful.